Welcome back to the last episode in this season. Last time, we heard about the judge in Argentina who decided we had a duty to a chimpanzee. This time, a judge in Pakistan decided we had a duty to an elephant. Hi, I'm Carly, and welcome back to the Animal Rights Tour. Like Happy and Cecilia, Kaavan was kept in a zoo by himself. He'd been there most of his life, a gift from the government of Sri Lanka when he was 1 year old, nearly 40 years ago. Now, unlike Happy, his conditions in the Islamabad Zoo were not good. He was in a small enclosure and was not well looked after, according to the judge. If you get the chance, read Judge Athar Minallah's judgment. Just search Kaavan decision. It's on the Non-Human Rights Project website. It is sympathetic, thoughtful, caring, but unlike the New York judges, Judge Minallah decided that the duty to the animal was paramount. It is also a thorough and proper legal decision, and he asks the same question as they did in Happy. Do animals have enforceable rights? To answer it, he ranges over history, religion, society, the environment, as well as previous cases, Cecilia, Happy, and some others, to interpret the law. Judge Minallah chose a different approach. He agreed that laws talked about a person or a citizen, meaning humans. But he took the view that, like humans, animals also have natural rights which ought to be recognized. And just in case we weren't clear about it, he repeated it. Do the animals have legal rights? To answer this question without any hesitation is in the affirmative. So there are 3 cases, all carefully considered, all a proper interpretation of the law, but not reaching the same outcome. Thank you for listening to Season 2 of the Animal Rights Tour. I've had a great time venturing deeper into animal rights law with you. In Season 3, I'm going to look at what animal rights laws might mean, and look at 2 places in the world that have actually granted rights to animals. And let me tell you, one of them might surprise you. Oh, and if you're wondering about Kaavan, he was moved to the Elephant Nature Park, a sanctuary in Cambodia, and I think he's still there. He's about 40 years old now, and elephants in sanctuaries can live about as long as us, so hopefully he's got a long, happy future ahead of him. Just search Kaavan Elephant Nature Park to learn more.